Hi, this is Eileen. There's a video a few down where I get electric shock. So I'm showing my fingertips where that I got that are burnt, because this is where I had actually touched. This is where I had actually touched the metal, and it was hot. So all my skin got dried up. You see the rest of my hand is normal. And the part that's not normal is a part that was in contact with it. So you see here. And the fingertips here. See how the skin is? It's like cracked. Here too. It's not so bad here because I wasn't really touching here. These were the main fingers. But like my thumb, you can see how burned it is. And then on my right hand, that's where it really got burnt. You can just see all the skin. Same on here. Just see how the skin is like cracking open. This all happened like after I got in contact with it. This one's not too bad at the end. The worst are these. That's just ink that was already there, but gives you an idea how burnt it got. And the coloring of the nail. Look at like the side, the cuticles. So a lot of dead skin, but then you can see how red it is. And then see down here, it's normal, nice and soft. And then you come to where I touched it and it's not. Okay, so I just wanted to share that.